let's open her up and see what we get. Looking pretty shiny. Read this first. Okay. Well, check I've got everything. Yep. Option 1. I already have naked-dsl 2, and it's excellent. Phone and power, phone and power. Now go to page 8. Yep. Nice, easy to read. Connecting BoB to looks lovely. Wireless setup guide. Internet and phone in one, user manual. Basically, it's going to give me super fast internet. I downloaded a gig in 11 minutes yesterday for an R-Factor download. I was pretty excited, actually. Handset and manual. Ooh, quick look at the handset. And a fridge magnet. This is the iinet freezer magnet, much cooler than a fridge magnet. Puns. Hooray! And now the proud owner of BoB 2. Sticker and everything. Ooh. It's got a little cover, it's got a wall mount. There was me thinking I was getting 2 handsets, but no. Wall mount, stand, power adapter, cable, more cables. So there's BoB and who I assume is Fred, the name for the old one. And let's just have a look at the decked handset. Everybody loves decked. There's, ooh, nice and shiny. Lived with a guy once who kept the stuff on his remotes for about 8 months. Maybe even a year. Seemed to defeat the purpose. Oh, look, I mean, it feels reasonable. Reasonable is such a fun term. Got a plastic over there. So you've got these buttons that don't depress too far. They feel pretty flat. I mean, they are buttons after all. It's kind of shiny. We have what can only be assumed as the carriage for the device. Plug. USP. Hello, kitty. Ah, the advancement of technology. Size matters, eh? PowerPoint. Adapter. I must say, this is all very well thought out. I was, just get you a bit more light so my hands don't obstruct this. You see these little press-down flaps here. I was sliding on the little backing plate, so slot, push forward, and then it's got these 2 locking pins to stop it coming back out. Little up and down flap, and this is what really got me excited. I was looking at the side of these thinking, oh yes, scoff, ports. How do we get things into the ports, and how does it all go together? Well, you simply slide. Now that's cute. There again, slide. Cool. So, I'm just going to locate that in the slidey bits. Slidey. Slidey. And then, we're going to slide. Come on, baby, you can do it. Got that nice little click. Oh, yes. Majesty. And flip the stand up. Might give her a bit of a polish later. And BoB. My friend BoB. With the handset. Oh. Router with cat. BoB 2. Router with cat. I've disconnected the old modem, tested the fact that it's not available, and now we're going to look at BoB 2 and plug her in, him, and see it do its thing. Power button. Oh, we have a light. Dun dun dun. All the lights. What next, I ask? What next? Up to 10 minutes apparently to do its thing. Wireless and ADSL sync. Well, let's go and see if we have a new wireless network. Well, the good news, I think you should always put at iinet.net.au after your username, if that's what they ask for, because we are now online with a new network name and a password, and it's all very quick. And there's Bravo Charlie, and new internet, and we'll just kick it up to 720p because, you know, that's how you should watch things on YouTube, at least. And we'll see if the throughput is there. And it is! Thanks very much to iinet for BoB 2. It's all quite exciting. And it even comes with a handset. And if you remember your username and password, the whole thing will work for you in about, I don't know, 10 minutes, 20 minutes. So yeah, cheers. Get yours. Top stuff.